Good morning. Hey, I get quite a few questions on how to take your playlist on YouTube and make them into sections or shelves, what I call easier way to understand shelves on your channel where they're easy for people to find your content in different arenas or genres of what you're trying to produce on your channel. So I'm going to make this real simple. I'm on my customization page, but let me go back and show you how to get to that so you can learn how to add a shelf or a section to your YouTube channel from a playlist. So we're going to go back up here and click my little icon. We're going to go back to my main channel. We're going to stop the play on this video. All right, back up to the icon, YouTube Studio. That takes me to the main page. Over here on the left is the where you do your navigation. So we're going to click customization. You can see here all my playlists. I have 11. I could put one more. Google allows up to 12 on YouTube. So to add a section or another playlist, I click here. I go down to single playlist. You have some options there, by the way. You could click other things, but we're going to do this single playlist. And then these are all my playlists, and I could pick any one of them. I'm not, because most of them are already on my channel. So if I did pick one, I could say pick this one right here and then hit publish, and that becomes a shelf piece of content right on the main channel, where people can easily find that playlist. So we're going to cancel that. So if you don't know YouTube, you don't know Herdy, and if you do have playlists, go add a section and shelf one on your channel and check it out. Have a great day.